quadratic inequalities. Now let us see how we will be able to solve the quadratic inequalities. The first question, x square minus 6x plus 8 is less than 0. In order to solve the quadratic inequalities, we'll draw a quadratic graph. By drawing a graph, we'll be able to solve the inequalities in an easier way. Now let us take this equation as y so that it is easier for us to draw the quadratic graph, that is the parabola. Minus 6x plus 8. Now we have our coefficient of x square is positive. So when it is a positive, we know that our graph is in the shape of a U. Now the first thing is we substitute x equal to 0 so that we find out where the graph is intersecting the y-axis. That is the y-intercept we can find. So it is 0 square minus 6 into 0 plus 8. So this is 0, this is 0, so this is 8. So y will be equal to 8. So our first point is 0, 8. Now, in order to find where the graph is intersecting the x-axis, we substitute the opposite, y as 0. So it comes as x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. So that is here, the product has to be 8 and the sum has to be minus 6. So what will be our factors? That is minus 4 and minus 2. So when you add, it is minus 6. When you multiply it, it is 8. So it comes as x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 2 equal to 0. So our values for x will be 4 or 2. So we have our coordinates as 4, 0 and 2, 0. So now we have 3 coordinates. With these 3 coordinates, we can draw the graph. That is, this point will be 0, 8. This point will be 2, 0. And this point will be 4, 0. So when we draw a graph, we'll just draw. We are not interested in finding the vertex because we are only going to solve our inequality right now. So without the vertex, we have drawn a graph. So now when we take our graph is lesser than 0, that means this is y. Y is less than 0. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Where is y less than 0? Where is y negative? It is below this x-axis, y is negative. So in the negative y-axis, where is our graph? Only this point we have a graph. So we'll have our solution lies between 2 and 4. So we'll just write it as 2 less than x less than 4. This is our solution. Suppose if it was a less than or equal to, we'll write here 2 less than or equal to and less than or equal to. Suppose if our graph had a greater than, instead of this lesser, greater than, that means y is greater than 0. Where is y greater than 0? That is above the x-axis. So where is our graph which is above the x-axis? This part and this part, 2 parts are there. So we write it 2 inequalities. Suppose the same equation was x square minus 6x, I just draw a line, minus 6x plus 8 is greater than 0. In that case, we'll write all the procedures, then we draw the graph. Our graph is above, which is greater. When I extend the graph over here, it goes to the left side, which gives us the x values are all negative. And which values are all these? These values are all lesser than 2. So it will be x will be less than 2. If I take the graph over here, this side, these values are all greater than 4. So this will be, x will be greater than 4. So this will be the solution instead of lesser if it was a greater over here. Second question, we'll take a negative coefficient of x squared. So minus x squared plus 4x plus 5 is less than or equal to 0. So now the coefficient of x squared is negative. So we know our graph has to be inverted U. Now the same way, let us take this equation as y equal to minus x squared plus 4x plus 5. So now substitute x equal to 0. So this becomes 0, this becomes 0. So you'll have the value for y as 5. So we'll have our coordinate as 0, 5. Now our next thing is y is 0. When we substitute y as 0, minus x squared plus 4x plus 5 will be equal to 0. I'll multiply by negative sign to the entire equation. So it comes as minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Now our product has to be minus 5 and the sum has to be minus 4. So it will be minus 5 and 1. So when we multiply minus 5, when we add, it is minus 4. X minus 5 and x plus 1. So when we factorize it, we get it as x minus 5, x plus 1. So our answers will be x will be equal to 5 and minus 1. So what will be our coordinates? That is 5, 0 and minus 1, 0. So we have 3 coordinates. Using these 3 coordinates, we are going to draw the graph. Now in order to draw this graph, we'll just plot these points. That is 0, 5 is over here. Minus 1, 0 will be over here. And then 5 will be over here. Since we know it is an inverted U, we have our graph like this. So now again, this graph is like the equation which has been given to us is less than or equal to 0. Where is it lesser than or equal to 0? Below the x-axis is less than or equal to 0. How many lines are there below for the curve? It has got 2 lines. So when it has got 2 lines, we write 2 solutions. That is, when the curve is extended, it will go on to this side. So these values are all x is less than minus 1. And these values are all x greater than 5. So this will be our solution. Now the last question, the third one. 2x squared plus 7x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Now first thing is we need to write our equation as y. Y equal to 2x squared plus 7x plus 1. Now the coefficient of x square is positive. So we know our curve is in this form. So now the first thing, substitute x as 0. This will become 0. This will become 0. So y equal to 1. So our first coordinate is 0, 1. Then substitute y as 0. So it is 2x squared plus 7x plus 1 equal to 0. Now the product has to be 2 and the sum has to be 7. We cannot find factors where we can get product as 2 and sum as 7. So what we do is we apply the quadratic formula for this equation. That is A is 2, B is 7 and C is 1. The quadratic formula is minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Now we'll substitute it in the quadratic formula. So minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 square minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 into 2. So when we simplify it, it is minus 7 plus or minus square root of 41 over 4. So our answers will be minus 7 plus square root of 41 over 4 and minus 7 minus square root of 41 over 4. When we simplify this, we get our answer as minus 0.149 and minus 3.35. Now using these values, let us draw the graph. X-axis and the y-axis. Now 0, 1. So this is our first point, 0, 1. This is minus 0.149. Minus 0.1 will be nearer to 0. So this is 1 point. And minus 3 point will be somewhere over here. Now we know it is in the shape of a U. So we'll have a graph like this. So now this is minus 0.149 and this is minus 3.35. Now greater than 0 is above. So we have two curves. So our solution, we'll write it as these values are all lesser than. So x is greater than or equal to. So here too we write it as less than or equal to minus 3.35 and x is greater than or equal to minus 0.149. So this is our answer for this equation which was given to us. So for solving the quadratic equations, it is easy if we use a graph in order to find its solutions. Thank you.